welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Varda. In this paper of digital and social media marketing, we have discussed lot many concepts related to digital marketing. We have seen different channels of digital marketing. We have seen the concept like e-commerce, segmentation, online audience profiling. Then we discussed one of the most important channels like search engine optimization, search engine marketing. In module number 4, we discuss social media marketing, seeing different channels available, different platforms available in order to implement effective social media marketing. So overall in this paper, we get to know the basic idea related to digital and social media marketing. Now, from this video session, we are going to start the module number 4 of this paper, under which we are going to see the recent trends in digital marketing and online reputation management. So, here in this session, we are going to see what is online reputation management. So, let's start. Talking about the concept of online reputation management, remember the limitations of social media marketing. There we have seen that because of the excessive or unmanaged form of unmanaged use of social media, customers get over influenced with or customers interact with businesses more than the necessity. Customers start moving in and out of businesses, and many a times because of such extensive use of social media platforms, they get to know even small crises or small event very quickly, and that small event that can be cured easily become viral on social media. So that all create a problematic situation for the businesses, for the companies. So there are limitations as well as the advantages of social media marketing, and in order to minimize these limitations, in order to control on that negative that control the negativity of social media platforms, by using we can make the effective online reputation management, by which we, here as shown here, that basically online reputation management helps in increasing the positive word of mouth and decreasing negative word of mouth. Talking about the definition, it is this management of online reputation is basically actively influencing the impression that businesses leaves on users. So it all related to managing the impression of the business, to controlling what customers should aware about and what not they what not they should not. So this is all about the management of the reputation, the image of the brand and the business. Okay, so this is all the basic idea about the online reputation management. But the question arises that what is the need of this online reputation management? So, according to the survey made by Bright Locals, there are near about 85% of consumers who trust on online reviews. Also, near about 49% of consumers need at least 4-star rating before using any product or services. So, from this it becomes very clear that now that people and the consumers, before buying any product or service, they first go through the review related to product. They analyze that is this product really worth for him, or is there any problem related to their product. They try to find out that the origin of the product. Previously, toothpaste was simply used by the people, and people didn't ever even care about that what toothpaste they are using. But now people are searching the brand, people are looking that okay, this is Patanjali, this is is Pepsodent, this is Colgate. What's the difference between these two companies? Shall we go Swadeshi or shall we go for the calcium and anything else? Is there any crisis in that company? Is their product really good for my teeth? So from this all, now consumers are very careful about using any product or service. So from the because of this all, they trust on reviews made by people, they trust on the ratings of particular product, they trust on the news related to particular company and all. So because of this all, online reputation management has become very important from the perspective of businesses. So, and for this online reputation management has get very much scope nowadays. Now let's talk about what is the procedure in order to execute effective online reputation management. So here there are certain steps by following which you can make the effective online reputation management. The first step is decide what you want your online reputation to be. Okay, this point is similar related to other research procedures which we have seen earlier in this paper. So here again, in the first step of the online reputation management procedure, you have to identify that how online reputation you want to be. Like, do you want to create an image like a leader in a particular industry, or do you want to show people that we are very consumer friendly kind of brand, and do you want to show like okay, we believe in healthy competition, we don't want to make cutthroat competition, or do you want to create the image like, no, I am the strongest in the market, I am the best than that of my competitors. And here in this step you have to identify that what kind of image you want to create in the minds of your customer. After identifying this, the next step comes where you assess your current online reputation. Before moving further, it is very important to know that where are you right now? Are you at the higher post? Are you at the growth stage? Are you at the maturity stage, or are you at the declining stage? So here in the second step of this procedure of online reputation management, identify that what is your current identity in the market. Here you can ask your stakeholders like customers or shareholders or the employees of your office. You can make small surveys related to your product awareness, related to knowing about your product awareness, and there are many applications which shows you your real-time performance or your real-time awareness in the minds of customers. Some tools are like the brand grader, there is a GoFish digital complaint box, there is Mention, there is Google Alerts and Talkwalker Alerts. There are so many tools which are available in order to know your position in the market. These 5 tools are one of the training tools in the study of in order to knowing the online reputation in the market. Now, after assessing your current online reputation, the third stage comes where you craft social media policy to guide engagement that supports reputation goals. Okay, now you are crafting your social media policies. Now you are deciding that, okay, I want to be the leader in my industry. This is my current position. I am at the growth stage. Now what is the next? So here in this step, you start crafting your social media policy. What kind of post you want to upload on your social media platform? What platform will be suitable for you? So this all crafting procedure is undertaken in this third step of online reputation management. Now, the next step after social media content strategy to promote desired reputation. Okay, after crafting in this third step, you get to know the basic idea that how do you want to represent yourself, what will be your ideal reputation in the market. Now in this step, you design your social media content strategy. What kind of content you are going to post on your social media platform or on your blog page, on or your website, or whatever media you are using. Remember the second session of module number 4, where I have discussed that there are 3 types of media which you can post in order to create the awareness of your product on social media platforms. These 3 media were paid media, owned media, and earned media. So here also you have to find out, you have to design the strategy for your content, and that content is going to be published on different media. That can be the earned media, that can be the own media, or that can be the paid media. For paid media. So what are the sub steps involved in this fourth step? That here, while designing your social media content strategy, very first you have to identify the social media goals. What are the goals associated with a particular social media platform? How many followers you want on your blog page, how many followers you want on your Instagram page, that how many like you are expecting on Facebook page. So here in this sub-step you have to identify that what are your social media goals. After identifying the goals, then the next sub-step comes where you identify and find the correct platform. There are so many platforms available. Social media is not at all a single platform. Depending upon the area in which you are dealing in, depending upon the industry you belongs, the importance of social media platforms varies. If you are working in B2B sector, or your business is B2B, then you would prefer LinkedIn. If you are working in B2C form of business, then definitely you will go on Instagram pages or on Facebook and the different social media platforms. If your company is educative kind of company, if you are giving information related to something, then you should have your own blog page. So depending upon the category, the type your business belongs, you have to find the correct social media platform. Then there is analyzing competitors. It is very much important to know that what is the reputation of your competitors, what kind of content they post on their Facebook pages or any other social media pages. So here analyze your competitors, because don't forget that here you want to overtake your competitor. You want to show that no, you are best than that of the other competitors. So that for that purpose, analyzing the competitors, studying their strategy plays very important role. After analyzing your competitor, research the content ideas. Make out the research, identifies that what content is trending in today's world and what content is about to trend in next few years. So make the research related to content ideas, and finally monitor the result. After executing this all, monitor the result, what you get from this all research. So here in this fourth step, here you are designing the overall content strategy for your social media marketing, or for your for creating the awareness, or for increasing the reputation in the customers by using social media platforms. The last step comes where you pursue and manage your online reputation. And finally, after going through these all steps, you pursue your online reputation in this step, and this is very continuous process. This is not one time process. Here I am saying that these are the steps involved in online reputation management, but there can be some other one who is saying that no, this step cannot be involved over here, or there is one more step. So you know that how flexible, how dynamic the world of digital marketing is. So you have to be very flexible. You have to make this all consistently. You have to make that consistency in order to be at the higher rank than that of your competitors. So by following these all procedures, by steps, you can make the effective online reputation management. And lastly, I want to clear you that always remember, reputation plays very important role in talking about the sales of your product, or creating the brand image of the product, because if there is any negative feedback related to your product, that will directly affect the sales, that will directly affect the brand image of your business. So that is all the basic information related to the online reputation management and the online reputation management procedure. In the next session, we will see different strategies by which you can increase the online reputation, you can manage your online reputation very well. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.